Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your electives in PowerSchool. You're going to go to the website collegiumcharter.powerschool.com. Your login will be for your username, first name, period, last name, and your password will be your lunch pin. You're going to go on this left-hand side here to where it says class registration and click that, and you'll get this screen that I have in front of me now. If you would like to take an ensemble next year, so concert choir, concert band, strings orchestra, or symphonic orchestra, you will need to select those as your top elective choices, and then you'll fill in the other ones after that. If you wish to take a course like 2D Art Studio, you must first, in one of your top electives, put Intro to 2D Art. If you want to take Music Studio 2, again, you would need to take Music Studio first. So you could select both of them, but Music Studio would have to rank higher than Music Studio 2, and the same goes for Acting and Acting 2. So to make your selection, you're going to go over to the pencil and click on that, and you will see the electives are coming up. You are going to have 2 pages worth to choose from. So if I would like to take concert choir next year, I'm going to select that as my top choice. Then I'm going to go to my elective 2 and make a second selection, and this will be a different elective than I've already chosen. So I'm going to select Music Studio, then I'm going to pick my next elective, Design and Modeling. If you are curious about what any of these electives are, just check out the full descriptions where you'll have a paragraph that explains what each elective entails. I'm going to pick Intro to 2D Art. Next, I'm going to choose Wildlife. Okay, I have already selected Intro to 2D Art here, so I can go down here and I can select 2D Art Studio. And now I have my 6 choices. Once I select my 6 electives, I'll have the option down here where I can hit submit, and then you'll have your elective choices in. If you have any questions, just reach out to one of the guidance counselors, Mr. Dannenhauer or Miss Woodson.